We use it for authentication and authorization of a wide variety of services. Yeah, the policy-based solution is good to have a good overview over the different types of authentication and authorizations used. So you can use it with many other products. It's a bit it's a bit critical to upgrade the solution. Many things that can go wrong, many things that do go wrong during upgrades. It's a bit it's quite a heavy product. Oh, I can recommend it 9. It's well suited for authentication to wireless network and also wired networks, for example. Also for management access. Oh, that's difficult though. uh, yeah, I can't say much about the ROI, but it uh, it secures your network and gives you security, which could be costly if not provided. I used Cisco ACS previously. Uh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. It's much more difficult to implement than expected. Yeah.